Hello, my name is Hakeem Robinson.
John F. Kennedy Middle School. This is one of the pride of John F. Kennedy Middle School right here. That's right. Now I want to ask you, what's going on? You got all these celebrities, WWE superstars coming. What's going on today?
It's awesome. It's gonna be. I might see a backstage wrestle tonight.
I know you like the wrestling and all. What is your job today?
I gotta help them park, like get a good parking spot, especially for wrestling. Whew, it's gonna be a good match.
Now you got the glasses. Let's see those glasses. You did a little trade-off with whose glasses are those?
James Durbin.
That's right, from American Idol fame and all. And what did he do? He just switched glasses with you?
Yep. Because my glasses were cool.
So this is good. So we're at John F. Kennedy Middle School today. They're doing the Be a Star anti-bullying program. Hakeem, who's your favorite WWE superstar?
John Cena.
Oh man, you know Cena's going against the hometown guy, the University of Miami's own Rock. What's going to happen in that match at WrestleMania?
John Cena's going to come in there, talk, and then pow pow, and then attitude adjustment. Off the arena.
And talk about Be a Star and the anti-bullying, and what's important about anti-bullying?
Because a lot of kids get in trouble for bullying, and a lot of kids get hurt or like don't know what to talk about when they get bullied. It's like they get picked on a lot. You see that every day.
This is something obviously good that school and WWE and James, they're all doing.
Yeah.
All right, man. Anything last to say?
John Cena is gonna win WrestleMania. You can't see me.